Hello guys, let's quickly talk about auto scaling of Kubernetes. Now auto scaling is one of the key features in Kubernetes cluster. It is a feature in which the cluster is capable of increasing the number of nodes as the demand for service response increase and decrease the number of nodes as the requirement decreases. This feature of auto scaling is currently supported in Google Cloud Engine, which is GCE, and Google Container Engine, which is GKE, and will start with AWS pretty soon. Now, in order to get up scalable infrastructure in GCE, we need to first have an active GCE project with features of Google Cloud Monitoring, Google Cloud Logging, and Stackdriver enabled. First, we will set up the cluster with few nodes running in it. Once done, we need to set up the following environment variable, as you can see in the screen. Now, once done, we will start the cluster by running the kube hyphen up.sh, which you can see here. This will create a cluster together with cluster autoscaler add-on. Yeah. So on creation of the cluster, we can check our cluster use the following kubectl command, which you can see here. Now we can deploy an application on the cluster and then enable the horizontal pod autoscaler. This can be done using the following command. The above command shows that we will maintain at least 1 and maximum 10 replica of the pod as the load on the application increases. Now we can check the status of autoscaler by running the kubectl kubecontrol get HPA command, as you can see here. We will increase the load on the pods using the following command, which you can see, yes, here. Correct. Now we can check the HPA by running the kubectl get HPA command, which you can see here. Okay. Now we can check the number of pods running using the following commands, which the commands which I am mentioning are these two here. This one, and finally we can get the node status as you can see here. Okay, so that's it for for auto scaling. That finishes auto scaling. Let me quickly move to dashboard setup. Now it's pretty easy, but let me quickly reiterate. Setting up Kubernetes dashboard involves several steps with a set of tools required as a prerequisite to set it up. For example, Docker 1.3 plus, Go 1.5 plus, Node.js 4.2.2 plus, NPM 1.3 plus, Java 7 plus, Gulp 3.9 plus, and Kubernetes 1.1.2 plus. Now, to set the dashboard, we will write the following code. We'll run these commands. This set of commands will help us verifying versions. Okay, let me quickly go ahead. Now if we talk about installing Go, this will help us there building Go. Let's quickly move how to install or installing Kubernetes dashboard. Okay, so this is the complete details given here and the command which we need to. This will help us install the Kubernetes dashboard. This will help running the dashboard. Now finally the dashboard visible to us, the Kubernetes dashboard would be similar to this. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, again, we would be talking about few other Kubernetes, features. Thank you very much.